In the city of Techville, where innovation meets resilience, new challenges arise, testing the limits of its citizens and the capabilities of its technology. NXT, Burst and Cigna continue to play pivotal roles in the lives of Techville's inhabitants, but a darker force looms on the horizon. Unbeknownst to them, a nefarious organization known as the Shadow Syndicate plots to exploit the city's vulnerabilities and seize control. Their first target, Cigna's communication network, the lifeline of Techville. As communication systems falter and misinformation spreads, fear grips the city, threatening to tear apart the fabric of society. But the Shadow Syndicate's malevolent influence extends beyond Cigna, as Burst faces a series of sabotage attempts, plunging Techville into darkness. With the city's energy supply compromised and communication networks in disarray, chaos reigns supreme. In the face of adversity, the people of Techville refuse to surrender, rallying behind NXT as they fight to reclaim their city. As the conflict escalates, alliances are forged, sacrifices are made, and the true strength of Techville's spirit is put to the test. But just as hope begins to wane, a glimmer of light emerges amidst the darkness. Through courage, determination, and unwavering unity, Techville emerges victorious, casting aside the shadow of tyranny and embracing a brighter future. And as Techville rises from the ashes, it embraces a new ethos, POC+, Power of Community Plus. In Techville, where resilience meets innovation, the future remains bright, fueled by the indomitable spirit of its citizens and the remarkable technologies that empower them. In Techville, the power of community plus technology paves the way for a brighter tomorrow.